Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to turn on two-step verification in Amazon account. Open Amazon website. Click Sign In. Log in with your username and password. Click Account and Lists. Click your account. Click Login and Security. Two-step verification settings. Click Edit. Click Get Started. Type your phone number. Click Continue. Enter OTP number. Click Continue. Click I got it. Please turn on the two-step verification. Successfully turned on two-step verification. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.